Bangkok, a city that pulsates with energy, a symphony of sights, sounds and smells, but above all, a street food paradise. From the moment you arrive, the aroma of grilling meats, spicy chilies and sweet coconut milk fills the air. It's an intoxicating invitation to embark on a culinary adventure. Bangkok's street food scene is not just about sustenance, it's a way of life. It's about community, tradition, and the art of crafting incredible flavors with the simplest of ingredients. Every street corner transforms into an open-air kitchen, each vendor a culinary artist. The beauty of Bangkok street food lies in its diversity. Noodle soups, curries, grilled seafood, tropical fruits. The choices are endless. Let's be honest, some dishes are non-negotiable. They're the classics, the legends, the ones you simply can't leave Bangkok without trying. First up, Pad Thai. This stir-fried noodle dish is a national treasure. Sweet, sour, salty and spicy. It's an explosion of flavors in every bite. Legend has it that Pad Thai was created during World War II to promote national unity. Next, we have Som Tum, the fiery papaya salad. Pounded with chilies, garlic and lime juice, it's a refreshing yet fiery treat. Som Tum originated in the northeastern region of Thailand and reflects the region's love for bold flavors. And then there's the queen of Thai curries, green curry. This fragrant curry, made with fresh green chilies, coconut milk and aromatic herbs, is a true sensory experience. Green curry is believed to have originated in the early 20th century, showcasing the evolution of Thai cuisine. These dishes are just a glimpse into the rich tapestry of Thai street food. Each bite tells a story, a history of cultural influences and culinary traditions. While the classics will always hold a special place in our hearts and stomachs, Bangkok's street food scene is also a hotbed of innovation. New trends are emerging, pushing the boundaries of Thai cuisine. Fusion food is all the rage, with chefs blending Thai flavors with international influences. Think Pad Thai burritos, green curry pizzas, and mango sticky rice ice cream. These creative concoctions are a testament to the city's cosmopolitan spirit. Another trend is the rise of health-conscious street food. With more people embracing healthy eating, vendors are offering lighter, healthier options. Salads, fruit platters, and grilled seafood are becoming increasingly popular. Keep an eye out for young, up-and-coming chefs who are putting their own spin on traditional dishes. They're the ones driving the evolution of Thai street food. Bangkok is a street food labyrinth, with culinary treasures hidden down every alleyway. But fear not, intrepid foodie. We're here to guide you to the best bites in town. For a taste of old-school Bangkok, head to Chinatown. Yaowarat Road, the main artery of Chinatown, comes alive at night with street food vendors hawking everything from dim sum to oyster omelets. For a more hipster vibe, check out Ari. This trendy neighborhood is home to a new generation of street food vendors serving up innovative dishes and fusion creations. If you're looking for a truly local experience, venture into the backstreets of residential neighborhoods. Here, you'll find hidden gems serving up authentic Thai flavors at local prices. Remember, the best way to find the best street food is to follow your nose and your gut. Don't be afraid to try something new. You might just discover your next favorite dish. Navigating Bangkok's street food scene can be daunting, especially for first-timers. But with a few tips, you'll be slurping noodles and gobbling down curries like a pro. First and foremost, be adventurous. Don't be afraid to try something new. You might just surprise yourself. Second, observe before you commit. Watch the vendors, see what they're making and how they're making it. If the place is packed with locals, it's usually a good sign. Third, cash is king. Most street food vendors only accept cash, so make sure you have enough on hand. Fourth, don't be afraid to bargain. It's all part of the fun. Start by offering half of the asking price and see where it goes. Finally, and most importantly, relax and enjoy the experience. Bangkok's street food scene is a feast for the senses. Soak it all in and savor every bite. Bangkok's street food scene is more than just a collection of delicious dishes. It's a reflection of the city's soul, its history, and its people. It's a place where culinary traditions are passed down through generations, where flavors are bold and spices are king, where every bite tells a story. So, what are you waiting for? Grab a plate, pull up a plastic stool, and get ready to embark on a culinary adventure like no other. Let the aromas guide you. Let your taste buds be your compass. And most importantly, let yourself get lost in the magic of Bangkok street food. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. See you in the next adventure.